Your CPU can do several things every nanosecond. Main memory takes about 80 nanoseconds to answer. So why isn't your computer 80 times slower? Caches. A cache is a small, fast memory inside the CPU that keeps a copy of whatever you're using right now. Small enough to be fast, close enough to answer in 1 nanosecond. There's a whole ladder of them. L1, tiny 1 nanosecond. L2, bigger a little slower. L3, bigger still. Then RAM 80 times slower than L1. Each step down, more space, more waiting. How does a tiny cache know what to keep? It bets on 2 habits. Whatever you just used, you'll use again soon. And whatever sits next to it, you'll want next, so it fetches 64 bytes at a time, neighbors included. The bets almost always win because programs loop and read in order. That's why the same code can run 50 times faster when its data fits in cache. Same instructions, different distance. Small, close, ready. That's why your computer feels fast.